bubbles. Haha, bubbles. Yeah. Ooh, lots of bubbles. Ooh, it's cool. I feel cool because I feel the air. Wow, look at that. Wow, lots of bubbles. Bubbles. I'm the bubble man. Oh, that's. This is we use double layer foam, and ooh, more, right? I think the soap added made the difference. And then we use a wider, wire mesh. Yeah, looks like pretty good. And we seal everything. You know, we use it seal, so nowhere for leakage. So everything, all the air come up from here. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, and this time we use the red nozzle. Blue nozzle looks like that just by looking it looks like it's not as good as the red nozzle. It's looks like the red nozzle bubble produce smooth smooth stream of bubbles. But anyway, the blue, I think more the coarse kind of Anyway, so just to compare the difference.